Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your scanner settings on the Shipt driver app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're trying to drive for Shipt and one of the orders requires you to grocery shop in store. How do you actually go ahead and adjust the scanner settings so that it can beep every time you scan? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Shipt driver app. Next, click on the hamburger icon in the top left-hand corner. Then on this page here, click on your profile icon in the top left-hand corner again. Afterwards, click on Preferences. Then underneath Scanner Settings, you can turn on the beep and you can turn on the vibration so that you can go ahead and be sure that every time you scan an item, it either beeps or vibrates. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and adjust the scanner settings on the Shipt driver app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.